Is it worth buying it? What's up everyone? How are you? Welcome to the channel. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. So if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today's episode is the last day wherein we pick up those redeem or cash in our MVP pass and the Nike outlet. So we grab those $50 gift card when we spend way back December, when we spent $200 to get those $20 gift cards. So check out this video, and so let's take them out and let's see what we grab on this bag. So we have two bags here, so we have to do a two separate transaction because there's a limit for a one per person per transaction a day. So I have someone with me, so I have to do a separate transaction. So let's check them out, how much I saved and what are the savings and what we got on the Nike factory store or Nike outlet store. Let's go. So there we go. So there's a minimum of 100 to spend so you can redeem the $50 gift card. And one tip for you to maximize your saving on the MVP pass is just to spend somewhere 100, not more than that, because you're just trying to save more for the $50 gift card because you don't have to buy a lot. Since you got those $50 way back somewhere December, and it's really good time for us to redeem it for the collection or for just resale. Some of them I did for the some would be in the collection, some would be a resale, but mostly it's the time of the year that when MVP pass is coming and redemption, I always go on for the collection. Yet, and moving on, what I have is a Jordan box here, and as you can see, just the classic box, and same what I have here. Okay, same Air Jordan, two of this one, and we're only gonna go ahead and we're only gonna unbox one because it's just the same one. Boom! So we got the Air Jordan high zip. Boom! There we go. So this one, how much did I get them for? Check out the price. Please focus, if it focus. Okay, so this one I grabbed them for $64.97, and the additional discount, there is additional discount on the hash wall, which is the 20% off, and then came out somewhere 50s or something, 54, 57 or somewhere right there in between. And so the policy of how can I redeem the $50 gift card is need to spend 100. So 50 times 56 on this one times 2, somewhere 100 ish, somewhere right there. So and then deduct the $50 gift card, then this one coming up after that gift card would be $20 something, less than $30 on this one. What? Right? Can you believe it? I know it's Jordan 1 and it is zip. I know this is zip. A lot of people are sleeping on this one because they don't like this zipper and the tongue burrito somewhere here. And the main thing what I like about this one is I buy what I like and not everyone's like. And now Air Jordan 1, it's sleeping on the outlet and you can get them somewhere $20, $30. That's a no-brainer for me. I mean, even though it's not for resale and going for the collection, wow, right? So I'm not breaking the bank to get me an Air Jordan 1 Retro. And also when I'm wearing them, there's not a lot of people wear them, so win-win situation for me. That's for me. And also the quality on this one, you can't believe this one. You can't believe the quality. It's really soft, as you can see right there. It's very soft. They call it a battery soft leather, and it is really soft. Like, wow. Unlike the classic Jordan, they are stiff and rough. This one, it bounces back and it is really soft. This one, I like it. And I'm thinking that I'm gonna do some modification, put some holes right here, and then put a lace. So what do you think if we could do a video on that one? So what do you think on this Jordan 1 high zip? Would you cap them for $25 to $30 each or not? Is it worth buying it? For me, for the collection and wear a Jordan 1 and beat them like crazy until they gone, it's no brainer for me. It's not, I'm not spending 100 and more to grab me an Air Jordan 1. It's just me. So what do you think? Leave the comment down below. So this one, I grabbed 2 of this, as you can see right here. There we go. Probably this one goes on the collection and this one gonna be on resale. Next one on the bag, another good pickup. Lots of clothing today. Actually not just for me. I said it's for the collection and someone who will wear them and give it to them. So pick this up. Is a woman's top, something that you could wear summer because it was hot outside, and also maybe wear them during workout. This one, it's pretty much cheap. Grab them for, see right there, $11.97 with the additional 30%. So this one goes down to $8.37, and that one is just the same with this one. This one is a white colorway and same price. Oh no, this one is different price. Check that out, $4.97. So probably that one they didn't tag this one right, because this one's already in green. Probably they didn't put it on. But anyway, so I grabbed 2 of this and 2 of the white ones, as you can see. Grab this one. Nice. This one is, I like it much better than this one. So I'm not gonna wear this one, but I'm gonna give it to someone when I'm going back. I'm traveling to the Philippines, and we're almost there. So pick up 3 of this one and 2 of those black and another one. So you think this one is just a plain Nike box, plain Nike, and it's because plain Nike orange box, and it says this one is a leftover from way back that I pick up also during December, that I grabbed this shoe. Check out this one on the blog right here after you watch this one. This one is one of the leftover. Bam! Check this out, Air Jordan 1 Retro. It's in orange box, so I think this one they messed up with the box, so they had to put this one in. Boom! Yup, another one. Check out the video right here, and I grabbed me a lot of this one. Cool, right? Nice Jordan with colorway, right? What do you think on this one? Okay, let's see the receipt. On this store, I grabbed them $109.97. On the other store, I picked them up somewhere $79.97. And as you can see, also the label right there, If you can see, 99.97 Air Jordan 1 Retro High. Oh, so this one, it was 99.97. So 99, another deduction is 20, another deduction is 33, so it came out to 46. 46.31. Oh, can you believe that? 46.31. And this, huh? And 46.31, and this one is the leftover, so I still pick them up. Another Air Jordan and the collection, which is with colorway. No, not bad for this one, right? The colorway is just very simple. And also, what do you think on this one? The Jordan 1 Zip or Jordan Retro High OG with colorway? 46, and that one is 25. Wow, it is really good time for redemption of MVP pass. So what do you think, if you got those MVP pass, what you're gonna buy? Are you gonna go higher or lower, or just in between, or the exact amount? And if you had one, what did you get? So leave a comment down below. I really want to hear your thoughts. So that would be all on this video. Thank you for watching. Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next video.